If you've ever said, "We've already talked about this. I thought we resolved this. Why are we back here again?" This video is for you. Because the issue usually isn't communication. It's structure. And without structure, insight fades. I'm Margarita Kogan, a licensed couples therapist, and one of the most common things couples tell me is, "We really have good talks." And they absolutely do. They're insightful, emotional, and connected. And then 2 weeks later, the same exact fight. Let's talk about why that is. Most couples have a conversation. They don't have a feedback loop. And here's what that means. You argue, you process, and you feel understood. Maybe you reconnect, and then you never revisit it. No check-in, no adjustment, no, "Hey, how did we actually do?" So the pattern quietly resets. In any other system, business, health, parenting, we track the progress. But in relationships, we assume one good talk equals permanent change. But it doesn't. Here's the part that no one does. You don't review after repair. After conflict, couples rarely ask, "What escalated that? Where did we get stuck? What helped us reconnect? And what should we try differently next time?" Without reviewing repair, you don't strengthen the skill. You just survive the moment. And surviving isn't the same as growing. Healthy couples don't avoid conflict. They refine it and how they handle it. That refinement requires review. Insight feels powerful in the moment. You cry, you feel seen, and you say, "Now I understand." But emotion is not a system. And when stress returns, when someone is tired, when the kids are loud, and when work is heavy, your nervous system will always default to the old pattern. Because insight alone doesn't override habit. Structure does. Structure turns "I get it" to "here's what we're doing differently next time." And that is the missing link. Structure is simple but intentional. It looks like a weekly check-in, naming your predictable trigger, agreeing on a repair phrase ahead of time, reviewing how last week's conflict went, measuring progress in small behaviors. It's not dramatic change, but consistent small adjustments. The couples who grow aren't smarter, they just build a feedback loop. And that's what prevents constant fights. When couples say, "We keep repeating the same fight," what they're actually saying is, "We don't have a system." What they want is predictability, a sense of progress, and proof that things are improving. A roadmap, not just emotional insight. Structure creates safety, and safety creates change. This is one of the key patterns that I assess with couples. Do you have repair or do you have just resolution? Do you have insight or do you have structure? Because structure is what turns insight into change. If you want to see where your relationship stands, whether you're stuck in repeat cycles or actually building progress, the link below walks you through that. And watch my next video, Why Most Couples Drift Apart Without Even Realizing It.